Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share another page in this coloring book. I'm participating in an open collaboration hosted by Rosemary at Rosemary You Rock Art, and this is hashtag color and create with us You Rock Art. So I am going to be sharing my page, and I wanted to share something that I created this weekend. I'm in a swap over on Facebook, and I am doing a ATC swap, and the theme was bees. And I don't know why I joined it, because I do not have a lot of bees items. I mean, I think I've picked up a few things, but not a whole lot. And paper-wise, I really don't have. But I came across a paper that I had in my stash. It was the ephemera pack from Hobby Lobby. And let me show you the paper. Oh gosh, now it's all... And it was perfect for my ATCs. Now, it's kind of grungy. It's not your normal bright, cheerful, festive kind of bee paper, but this is what I came up with. So here is an ATC. I used the Hobby Lobby bling that I got on sale. And then this is just some Prima paper, Prima flowers that I have in my stash. And I use some black and yellow flowers. And then this is a black pearl, and I have a ton of them. And then this is a sticker also from Hobby Lobby that I had in my stash. And I layered this paper. It's from the same paper pad. And I layered that in the background. I inked the edges. Then I took some, I think this is yellow polka dot paper, and I matted the bee paper in the background. And I just love how it turned out. So that's one. I'm swapping three. This is a different layout. Same concept. It's the same items, but just different. Oh, and I did use some rub-ons from the Dollar Tree. I think Susan, here on YouTube, she had shared, or she had gifted me some items when she sent over the stamp set, and there is just a little bit of the rub-ons in the background, so I used that. And then here's my last one, and then still, the same material. I mean, the same, like, this is the bling. I put it down here in the corner, and then I did it up here. I just love how they turned out. They're all a little different, same, but a little different. So I loved how that turned out. I can't wait to send that off to my swap partner once I know who that is. So let me share my page. So this week, this is our page. And I thought it was really cute. I've been hearing that some of these coloring books, it all depends on when you bought them on Amazon. They're a little different. So you may not have exactly the same page. And she's not telling us to use this book, but if you just happen to have it, or if you want to go and buy it on Amazon, you're certainly welcome to, but you don't need to. It's not a must. I took it upon myself to get it because it gave me a reason to color. Even though I have a lot of things to color, like stamped images and things like that, I could have done. Like, I think I have one right here sitting on my desk. I could have colored this and shared it. So yeah, you don't need to color in this coloring book. You can use any kind of coloring book. You can use a image, anything you want to do. Just come on with that hashtag, color and create with us. You are art, you rock art, and share what you colored. And the other part was the creating part. You could just come on and share what you created. So really simple, fun collaboration. Thanks, Rosemary, for allowing me to come on and share my projects with everyone. So this is my page, and I love how it turned out. It's very colorful. The flowers, I try to keep it, you know, red and orange. I thought that was cute, but I kept the birds different colors because they are the focal of this page. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, start of your week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.